Garmin watches sometimes need a reset to fix glitches. There are two main types: soft and factory resets. A soft reset is like restarting your computer. It fixes minor issues without deleting your data. A factory reset is like wiping your computer clean, restoring it to its original settings, and erasing all your personal information. Knowing the difference is crucial before proceeding. A soft reset is your first line of defense for Garmin watch issues. Use it when your Garmin watch becomes unresponsive, when an app crashes on the watch, or when it won't sync with your phone. It's quick and easy, resolving about 70 to 80% of common problems without any data loss. Try a soft reset before attempting anything more drastic. Performing a soft reset varies slightly by Garmin watch model, but generally involves holding down specific buttons for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes blank and the device restarts. A common method is holding the light and down buttons simultaneously. If unsure about the button combination for your specific model, check the manual on Garmin's website. After holding the buttons, wait for the Garmin logo to reappear on the screen, indicating that the reset is complete. A factory reset should be performed for more serious issues that a soft reset cannot resolve. First, severe software conflicts that cause persistent crashes or unresponsive behavior require a factory reset to restore the watch to its original state. Second, if you're preparing to sell your watch, a factory reset ensures all your personal data and settings are completely removed. Third, before installing a major firmware update, performing a factory reset can prevent potential compatibility issues and ensure a clean installation. However, remember that a factory reset erases all your data, including activities, settings, and paired devices. Always back up your watch data first using the Garmin Connect app on your phone or Garmin Express software on your computer. Before performing a factory reset on your Garmin watch, it's crucial to back up your data to prevent losing important information. First, open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. This mobile app allows you to connect wirelessly to your watch. Alternatively, you can use Garmin Express software on your computer for a more comprehensive backup option. Once connected, initiate a sync to upload your activity data, personal settings, and other information to your Garmin account in the cloud. Always verify that the sync process is fully complete before proceeding with the factory reset. This ensures all your data is safely stored and can be restored later. To perform a factory reset on your Garmin watch, start by navigating to the Settings menu on your watch. On your watch, navigate to Settings, then System, then Reset. Select the option Delete Data and Reset Settings or similar wording. You'll be prompted to confirm. This is your last chance to back out. Confirm the reset. After the watch restarts, it will be in its factory default state. You may also be able to initiate a factory reset from within the Garmin Connect app. After a factory reset, repair your Garmin watch with your smartphone through the Garmin Connect app. The app will guide you through the setup process and restore your backed up data, bringing back your activities, settings, and personal information. If your Garmin watch freezes during a reset, try connecting it to a power source to provide stable power. Always ensure the battery is at least 50% charged before attempting any reset to prevent incomplete processes. If problems persist after trying these steps, contact Garmin support for further assistance. Remember, soft resets are your first line of defense for minor issues, and always back up your data before performing a factory reset. Stay up to date on firmware updates, which often include improved reset protocols and bug fixes to help avoid these issues in the first place. By following these troubleshooting tips and important advice, you can keep your Garmin watch running smoothly. Soft resets and firmware updates are key to preventing issues.